What's up, everyone? This is Mario Virgil. Welcome back for another video, guys. Hope you've all had a great week. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use launch control on a G80 M3. The first step, like always, is make sure you turn on the car and you let it warm up properly. Give it at least 10-15 minutes for it to warm up before you actually go and engage into launch control. As far as setup, I'm going to put the engine on Sport Plus, chassis on Sport Plus, steering on Sport, and brake on Sport mode. I personally like the more aggressive drive. Now the next thing we're going to do is turn off traction control, which is right here. And this pop-up is going to show up. We're going to put DSC off. We want that to be inactive. We're also going to select the most aggressive drive logic setting right here. We are going to put it on S3. Right now it's on 1. We're going to bump it up all the way to 3. There we go. Next up, we're going to put one foot on the brake, the other one on the gas. And as you can see, it's going to say preparing launch control active. And here we go. Wow. So there you guys have it. How to use launch control on a G80 M3. Very, very similar to the F80. First step, like I mentioned, warm up the car. Let it run for at least 10-15 minutes to let it warm up properly. Then as far as setup, I put everything on Sport Plus. We have to turn off traction control, then select the most aggressive drive logic setting. Once you have all those settings and you're ready, you're gonna put one foot on the brake, the next foot on the gas. Once it says launch control ready, just take off.